Hello. It's Kara and welcome back to my channel. We love affordable wigs over here, affordable clothes, and affordable vacations. So today, again, we have an affordable wig. Is it like extremely affordable? No, but like it's affordable investment. But today is not necessarily about the cost of the wig itself. It's just more of the application. So I actually purchased this wig. Yeah, it needs to be washed, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you how I wash my wigs. This wig was purchased from a company called, I believe it's Tiffany Thompson. Tiffany Thompson, I believe she's on social media. I purchased this wig a couple years ago and it's still in like the perfect condition. I believe this wig cost me about $300. However, I've had this for years and I'm talking, it's probably been about 5 or so years now. So let's get into it. And this is a frontal, like a whole frontal. I haven't done a frontal on this page yet, so I'm excited. So because I forgot that I don't have any glue, I will be making my way to the beauty supply store now. Okay, so I am finally back from running to the beauty supply store to get some hair glue. So let's open this and get this application started. Oh, and I have the lace bond glue. It comes with the lace bond, the lace bond remover, and an applicator. I've already wiped my forehead with some alcohol, so make sure you do that. I am going to now go in with this HD wig cap. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be spray and just spray this down. I'm going to go in and cut the excess cap off. My cap is on to the best of its ability, okay? All right. Push this hair on back so we can get to this lace. I forgot a very important step. I am going to put some I'm gonna mix some bronzer that I have, that I always use, and some mineralized skin finish. I'm gonna mix these two and do what I do. This wig was already, I guess, custom made. So I already have my ear part cut out. But if you don't, make sure you go ahead and cut that out. Are we ready? I'm just going to like outline where the lace is laying so that I know where to apply the glue. Let's apply our glue. I make sure that I don't touch the brown part just because I'm going to go in and remove it. So while that's drying, I'm just gonna go in and get rid of the brown marks. I'm going to go in with another layer. Now that it's tacky, I'm going to start applying the lace. I am going to use this to lay it down. Helps the melting process. Now, let's work on styling this wig. Let's just bump it a little bit. Let's just bump it. It's gonna be cute. let's take this off. Ooh. We clearly have to fix the lace. It's a lot going on. I don't have any edge control, so we're just gonna use this styling wax stick, the Care styling wax stick for my edges. I will not be doing anything more to the edges. Put this back on for a bit and I should be done. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this though. Yeah, from the middle part. We're feeling middle. All right, y'all. We're gonna take this off so we get busy with it. I literally don't do frontals, but for a beginner, yeah. And I'm just wearing it to the theater and then taking it out. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and I'll see you next time.